Hi guys! Welcome sa Asip9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on slope. In this video, pag-uusapan natin yung zero and undefined slopes. Basahin natin yung ating sasagutan dito sa video na to. Find the slope of the lines passing through the following points. So 2, 3, and 8, 3, 4, 6, and 4, negative 3, negative 8, negative 5, and 2, negative 5, and negative 2, 4, and negative 2, 1. So, pwede natin gamitin itong formula na napag-aaralan na natin, no? So, for A, we have 2, 3, 8, 3. This is x sub 1, y sub 1. This is x sub 2, y sub 2. So, using the formula, we have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Anong y sub 2 natin? 3, di ba? And then yung y sub 1 natin is also 3. So 3 minus 3 over yung x sub 2 natin ay 8, tsaka yung x sub 1 natin ay 2. X sub 2 minus x sub 1 is 8 minus 2, which is equal to 0 over 6, which is equal to 0. So, ang slope nito ay 0. Alright, for letter B, we have 4, 6, and 4, negative 3. Again, pwede natin i-label na x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. And again, using the formula, we have m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1. That's negative 3 minus 6 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, 4 minus 4. So that's negative 9 over 0, which is undefined. So hindi tayo pwede mag-divide ng 0, no? Pag 0 yung ating denominator, ay undefined yung fraction. Alright, so I'll give you time to compute for C and D. And after that, papakita na natin yung solution. Okay, so ito yung solution ng C and D. For C, we have negative 5 minus negative 5. Yan yung y sub 2 minus y sub 1 natin. Ito yan. That's equal to 0. Tapos yung x sub 2 minus x sub 1 natin. That's 2 minus negative 8, which is equal to 10. 0 divided by 10 is 0. For D1, we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is 1 minus 4, which is equal to negative 3. And then negative 2 minus negative 2, that's equal to 0. So, negative 3 over 0 is undefined. So, meron tayong dalawang slopes na 0. Yan yung letter A tsaka letter C. Tsaka yung B and D natin ay undefined. Okay, so for A, M is 0. Ang B, M is undefined. Ang C din ay M equals 0 and yung DIM is undefined. Okay, so anong itsura ng mga lines na 0 at saka undefined yung slope? Okay, so tingnan natin yung relationship ng slope at saka ng line, no? Ang 2383 ay M is 0. Saan yung 2383? Ito yan, no? This is M equals 0. Tapos yung 4, 6, 4, negative 3, M is undefined. So 4, 6, 4, negative 3, M is undefined. Tapos yung C, which is negative 8, negative 5, 2, negative 5, ito yon. slope ay 0, and yung negative 2, 4, negative 2, 1, ang slope nito ay undefined. Okay? So ano yung na-observe ninyo? Ang line na may slope na 0 ay horizontal, no? At ang line na may slope na undefined ay vertical. Or one way of saying it is the slope of a horizontal line is 0 and the slope of a vertical line is undefined. So the slope of a horizontal line is 0, tsaka the slope of a vertical line is undefined. Okay, so susunod na video pag-uusapan natin yan. I-generalize natin itong ating observation. Bakit ang slope ng horizontal line ay 0 at bakit ang slope ng vertical line ay undefined? Yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa susunod na video. Alright, so sana nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating tutorial. Huwag niyo kalimutang mag-subscribe, invite your friends, and be safe. Share niyo rin yung videos natin sa mga kaibigan niyo. See you!